so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are saying goodbye to the summer and welcoming fall. So I wanted to do a fall inspired look using the ColourPop Fine Feathered palette. And this video is in collaboration with my girl UneekBeauty. And of course, we're going to be doing some comparison swatches in this video as well. I'll link both my collabs and swatch playlists to watch previous videos. And if you're visiting from Patrice's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. This is the inside of Fine Feathered, what we will be working with today. I haven't used this palette on the eyes yet. I've only swatched it. This was swatched in my ColourPop swatch party. I'll link that video in case if you missed it. Tweet me, high flying of a feather. Take a gander, no flocks, goose chase. A nest egg, hen party, telltale. And here is Fine Feathered swatched. Up first for comparison swatches is Making Moths. R&R, Solitaire, Big Moves. Bi-Coastal, A La Mode, Mauve on Top. Tongue Tired, Marquee, Big Fig. Here is Fine Feather swatched next to Making Moths. Up next is Ooh La La. Tickled, Soft Core, Poodle. Big Sugar, Opulent, Sandbar. Trove, Caddy, Moonstruck. Ooh La La next to Fine Feathered. Wine and Only. Blanc, Sip Sip, Major Chianti. Casta Chateau, Play to Wine, Mull It Over. Vinter, Moncherry, Grapeful. Wine and Only next to Fine Feathered. Lastly, Lust for Dusk. Shaken, Eventide, Mixer. Hot Glam, Miser, Twilight. After Dark, That's Neat, Serve Chilled. Fine Feathered compared to Lust for Dusk. Now that the palette has been swatched and compared, let's test it out on the eyes. On my right eye, I'm going to use my Urban Decay Potion Primer, and on my left eye, I'm going to use my Dose of Colors Concealer. So the shade has a decent amount of kick up. I'm noticing I'm having to dip in quite a few times to get this shade completely in my crease, but it's blending out pretty effortless. And I like that it's not patchy. I was a little worried that the shade was going to be maybe a little difficult and patchy based off of previous experience using shades like this. It's a little bit more stubborn on the concealer side, and it's showing up a lot more purple, like how it is in the pan, versus on the side with eyeshadow primer. Definitely making a mess though in my pan with all the kick up. I'm finding myself having to work a lot harder on the concealer side to get this blended out. Oh, I like this combination of Telltale and Hen Party. And this is the final look. I thought it was going to be maybe a little bit more grungier. Definitely think that Hen Party brightened up this look. It definitely helped me blend out the Telltale on this side. Aside from that, the shimmers went on quite nice. I definitely need to try either wetting the brush or maybe even applying with my finger to get a little bit more payoff, but it went on just fine for what I needed in this video. I would love to know, did you guys pick up the Fine Feathered palette? What are some of your favorite color combinations? Did you run into any blending or pigment issues? And don't forget to check out Patrice's channel. Her video will be linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.